Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we diving into a question that sounds simple but has some seriously cool answers. Is DNA asterisk only asterisk found in living things? When you think of DNA, you probably picture the classic double helix, the blueprint of life, tucked away inside the cells of plants, animals, you, me, and even the tiniest bacteria. And you're right. DNA is the fundamental instruction manual for every known living organism on Earth. It tells a cell how to build proteins, how to divide, and what its job is. So, in that sense, if you find something that's asterisk, currently alive asterisk, you're guaranteed to find DNA inside it. But what about things that were asterisk, once asterisk alive? Let's take a walk through a forest. You see a fallen log, slowly decomposing. That tree isn't alive anymore, but for years, even decades, its woody cells will still contain the remnants of its DNA. Scientists can extract this DNA to identify the tree species or study its genetics long after it has died. It's like finding the original blueprints in a building that's no longer in use. The same goes for the food we eat. That apple you're about to snack on? It was picked from a living tree. The cells in that apple, even though it's no longer part of the tree, are packed with apple DNA. The steak on your plate came from a cow, and its muscle tissue is full of bovine DNA. In fact, pretty much any unprocessed food you eat from a plant or animal source contains DNA. This is why you might see labels for non-GMO or bioengineered foods. It's all about the DNA in the ingredients. Now let's get a little more extreme. What about fossils? Can we find DNA in a dinosaur bone that's 66 million years old? This is where things get tricky. DNA is a large, complex molecule, and it starts to break down pretty quickly after an organism dies. Environmental factors like water, oxygen, and temperature all accelerate this process. Under normal conditions, DNA is completely gone within a few 100,000 years. Maybe 1,000,000 years at the absolute most if conditions are perfect, like being frozen in permafrost. This is why we can get DNA from a woolly mammoth that died 40,000 years ago, but can't get it from a T-Rex. The dinosaur DNA has had millions of years to degrade into nothing. So, while the dinosaur was once alive and full of DNA, you won't find any of that original genetic material in its fossilized bones today. The organic material has been replaced by minerals. So, let's circle back to our original question. Is DNA only found in living things? The most accurate answer is that DNA asterisk originates asterisk from living things. You won't find DNA in a rock that was never alive or in a drop of pure water. But you absolutely can, and do, find it everywhere in our environment, in the soil, in the water, in the air we breathe, because it's constantly being shed from the countless living, dying, and decomposing organisms all around us. It's the persistent echo of life, a chemical ghost that tells the story of what was once alive. So the blueprint for life isn't just in the living. It's a footprint left behind by everything that has ever lived. Pretty amazing when you think about it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to explore next. See you in the next video.